Once, this land flourished with life, untouched by the ravages of war. But conflict found its way here, leaving behind only remnants of what once was. Silent witnesses bear witness to the battles fought, their scars hidden beneath layers of moss and time. The dreams of a generation, torn apart by the winds of war, streets that once echoed with laughter and footsteps now echo with the absence of life. But amid the desolation, a spark of hope ignites for every destroyed home, a new one rises from the ashes. Bound by a shared determination, they rebuild their lives, brick by brick. Amid the chaos, knowledge persists, nurtured by the resilience of the human spirit. Through art, they heal the wounds of the past, crafting a brighter future in the face of adversity. Compassion becomes a powerful weapon, binding hearts in solidarity. The scars of war remain, but the echoes of hope grow louder. Together, we rise, forging a future where peace triumphs over destruction.